I had some real great discoveries today in the garden, and one of them is a pumpkin. Yeah, my very first pumpkin. I've never planted pumpkins. I don't know anything about pumpkins. I just found a pack of pumpkin seeds and planted them, and lo and behold, there it was. As I was actually cutting the squash, the butternut squash plant, I saw the pumpkin before me. It was almost like a treasure being found, and it filled me with so much joy. So come with me as I show you these different treasures in the garden. Also, we're going to check on the seeds, and you know what? I bought myself a new camera. Yes, a little point and shoot. Let's learn together. You know, life is exciting, and it's what we make it. Whatever we decide to make it, that's what it will be. So let us decide to look for joy, to look for moments of peace in the garden, and to enjoy ourselves with one another. Well, I need you, and I need to just fellowship with you. So come and join me, and let us enjoy the garden together. Catherine's garden. Well, good morning. I am trying with this my new camera to get some new footage, test it out, and it is raining again. It's raining, but this is a beautiful camera. See if I can get some close-up here so you can see what's happening. It's supposed to be able to zoom in and zoom out. So let's zoom in on this flower bed and see what's happening with it as I get wet. See that? See what the rains did to my flower bed? This is pretty cool. Let's see if we can zoom in further. Wow, cool. I'm going to get a selfie stick so that I won't be so shaky. But it's very nice. Very nice. Wow, that's pretty. I'm just playing with this camera. Let's see how this looks. Zoom in. Remember the azalea? Yep, that's where the azalea plant is. Oh, you could even see something flying around there. My little statue. It is really raining out here. I'm having a lot of fun. I need to get back inside. I don't know how waterproof this is. Ooh, let's look at the back corner here. Let's zoom in. See if we can see some of those fruits and veggies over there. Oh, look at the tomato. It can really zoom. See if I can keep it still. Oh, that was cute. I gotta get in from the rain. One last zoom in. Okay. pretty. This is my harvest this morning. My first pumpkin in my whole entire life. I have a pumpkin here. Isn't this fabulous? Look at it. It was growing in the front, and I'm just impressed by it. And this is my harvest for the day. Look at all of these tomatoes. Yes, some of them are green, especially this, if I can get it. This type is especially green and with just a little red, because when it drops so quickly, and then it rots. And then the over by that bed where they grow, where they're growing, there's slugs there. I saw a lot of slugs this morning out, and so I'm glad that I caught the low-lying fruit quickly. But yeah, the eggplants are coming in nicely. I got a lot of cucumbers, and I finally decided to go after these squash. Look at that. Everything that I took out of this container was from the front bed. And look at them. Those butternut squash look so delicious. And I'm still getting some summer squash. Not as much, but they're doing all right. Now let me just show you what's happening with these seeds. Remember, I've been planting seeds. Well, this is the lettuce. They're still growing. They look happy. And now here are the carrots. Look at the carrots. Look at this dangly thing here. The carrots. Look at that. And I found that at the dollar store. Happy harvest. The beets. And the spinach. Not much, but showing signs of wanting to do something. And they're fabulous. So that's my little seed corner. Yes. Oh, the sun's starting to come out. Alright, so that's my harvest for today. It's been a really special day. I'm getting the last of the roses here. Look at how the bees are so occupied with the flowers. See how the bees are just loving it? Wow. I got this pumpkin. Today's a special day because of the pumpkin. Look at that. My first pumpkin ever. And of course the summer squash, the cucumbers, the tomatoes. I'm just grateful. The butternut squash and the whole garden. Look at that. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know, how are things going on in your garden? Are you having a lot of discoveries in your garden? Are you enjoying your time in the garden? And know that I enjoy being with you, and I enjoy sharing with you the things and the treasures that I'm finding in my garden. Let me know what's happening in yours, and I'll come and visit you too. So have a wonderful day, and thank you for visiting me with me in Catherine's garden. Bye. Oh, the bugs. Yeah, it's a time of year. We have a lot of bugs, mosquitoes. But anyway, it's still great to get out in the garden and enjoy it. Well, have a good day.